Why API documentation matters.
Clear API documentation is crucial for developers who integrate your software. Well-written docs speed up onboarding, reduce errors, and improve overall user experience. Good documentation can help your API stand out in a crowded market, encouraging broader adoption and minimizing the need for technical support.
Key elements of effective API docs.
Comprehensive API documentation should include an overview, authentication details, sample requests and responses, error codes, and practical use cases. Including code examples in popular languages helps users understand how to implement your API faster and more reliably.
Making documentation user-friendly.
Clarity and organization are vital. Use consistent formatting, clear headings, and a logical structure. Brief explanations with step-by-step tutorials or guides help users get started quickly. Searchable documentation with an easy-to-read layout lowers the learning curve and reduces confusion.
Writing secure documentation.
Security best practices should be documented clearly. Guide users on securing authentication credentials, using HTTPS, and following safe input-output handling. Never expose or suggest the use of sensitive data in code examples. Provide guidance on handling and reporting vulnerabilities.
Maintaining and updating documentation.
API documentation should be regularly updated alongside code changes. Include change logs and deprecation notices to alert users of breaking changes. Encourage user feedback to identify areas for improvement, ensuring your documentation stays accurate and helpful.